How you doing, Lily? Hello. Right, I'm going to go live. This is my first proper live since gaming on YouTube. But I'll give it a few seconds. Hopefully people jump on. And I don't know how this works. Hopefully the live stays on my YouTube after it's finished. But I'll give it a few minutes. Let's see if we can build up an audience. But there's a few things I want to talk about on this live. A few things. But like I said, we'll give it a few minutes. So like I always ask, right, I would love it if you'd all comment below. Let me know where you're from in the world. Let me know just let me know where you're from in the world. Oh, what have I turned on here? Green screen. I don't want a green screen on. Yeah, so let me know in the comments where you're from in the world. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can understand me. And I just want to give you a little update. So a bit about me, as most of you know, who's following me, I'm a full-time soldier. I've been serving 22 plus years in the military. And since 2020, there's been a lot of fake accounts impersonating me. It's called a romance scam. A lot of Nigerians pilfered through my Instagram back in 2020 in lockdown. And they stole all pictures of me and my daughter. So, as you probably noticed, I don't post any photos of me and my daughter, only me and my wife. And what they done, they created a load of fake accounts and have been contacting women all over the world and getting them involved in a romance scam. And now this has been going on since 2020. Now what happens is these women get a bit disgruntled, and when they realise they've been scammed and have money taken off them, well, not money taken off them, they voluntarily give money away. But when they realise they're being scammed and the person's not real, they end up finding the real me, which is me, Stephen Kelly. And I end up getting abuse across all my social media platforms. Now, like I said, I've been serving in the military now nearly 23 years. I retire from the military next November. And what I'm trying to do in the background, I'm trying to grow my business, which is a survival outdoor bushcraft company called Southwest Survival. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grow my business. Now, since these romance scams, these accounts impersonating me, since this has been going on since 2020, it's been an absolute nightmare. Because these women are so disgruntled, the fact that they've been scammed, and then they end up blaming me. They end up commenting across all my social media platforms. They end up abusing me. And then they end up commenting, calling me a scammer. Now, this is what I've been dealing with since 2020. Now, all I'll ask, if anyone comes across any fake accounts impersonating me, please report. Please report. All my social media platforms, my Instagram, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my Facebook, my TikTok is all called survival_stay. That is my platform. That is my name. That is my handle. If you see any other accounts impersonating me, please report. And I hate the fact that I've got to come on a live and talk about this and give it some energy. And I ain't got time to give this energy. So, but I just wanted to say, if you come across any fake accounts impersonating me, please report. But that's the boring bit done. I'm just learning